Hi gorgeous, hi everyone, compliments of the season. Today I'm going to be on the 7 must-have shapewears for this festive period, okay? So we don't want to ruin that lovely outfit. So let's girls, let's dive in, okay? So the first one is high waist shapewear. This is a nude color one, available in black as well. I come has 3 hooks. This is a must have. It's got the zip. Yes, it's got the zip, a detachable strap, so you can take out the straps. They are very high, so they go up to this place. Available in black and nude color and black, and we've got sizes up to sizes 6 to 20, dress size 6 to 24. Okay, so grab this from our website Kalicious collections, or they're on our Instagram shop as well. Must have. So this is the first one, and we'll dive into the next one. So we've got very good quality shapewears. Don't ruin that lovely outfit this festive period, okay? So we've got the full vest, full body shapewear, back fat, and it's got a butt lifter. Then we also have our easy ass. Yes girls, very good. And this is for zip. It has zip and it has hook. Full vest. This is a lattice material, so the quality is top notch. Very stretches you and sucks you in very well. So I'm currently holding a size 2XL. So this is a size 2XL, which we fit is size 10 to 20, okay? And you can also size 16 to 18. So it depends. If you want to snatch very well, grab this. This is a must have. So this is the second look, a must have for this festive period. And yep, and I have this one as well. This is hot, very hot. Sells out like this is a must have. This is lovely. As you can see, it's got one hook. I come closer. Is the full vest. This is a lattice material, so the quality is top notch. Very stretches you and sucks you in very well. So I'm currently holding a size 2XL. So this is a size 2XL, which we fit is size 10 to 20, okay? And you can also size 16 to 18. So it depends. If you want to snatch very well, grab this. This is a must have. So this is the second look, a must have for this festive period. And yep, and I have this one as well. This is hot, very hot. Sells out like this is a must have. This is lovely. As you can see, it's got one hook. I come closer. Is shapewear with a butt lifter, okay? For all ladies that want to have more bobs. So this is a very lovely shape you in and gives you a very good butt lift, okay? So it must have. Don't ruin that lovely outfit. Grab yours from our Kalicious collection. And I'm going to show you another one. We've got so many different lovely shapewears. All must have. Don't ruin that lovely outfit. So this is, it's got the strap. The zip is by the side, and it's got hook as well. So I come closer so you can unhook. You can hook first, then you zip. Then the good part is it's got this zip for the, you know what I mean, ladies, for the easy access. So grab yours from our website. Sizes available, sizes X to 5XL, okay? So make sure if you're website, make sure you go with the exact measuring guide on our website. Thank me later. So this got a butt lifter. It doesn't have pad, but it has a butt lifter, so it's lifting what your mama gave to you, okay? Yeah. Yeah, we have so many. So this another shapewear. All our shapewears are top sellers, great quality, must have, matches you real good. You know what I mean? So this is also the same. This is a different one. Yes, got you girls. We've got loads of different types of shapewear. So this is a very high waist one with no zip, with no hook, and it's got, you want it, we've got it. So must have. Nude color, available in black, available in nude, sizes X to 5XL. Then yes, our butt lifter, this is a must have. This is so lovely, very comfy to wear, available in sizes X to 3XL. Then we've got this a must have, sizes X to 6XL. So we have up to 6XL. They're all selling out so fast. Ladies, remember, it's crazy during Christmas time, so get in your orders, don't do last minute, okay? So we avoid high blood pressure for everyone. I go in black and nude color, and we've got two styles of this. We've got one with the book cover. Yeah, this has the book cover. Then we have the one without the book cover. So, and it's 3 hooks, okay? 3 hooks, and it's got easy access, and it's got a butt lifter, so you're getting top quality shapewears. So why not try Kalicious collections and thank us later? We love you, and compliments of the season.